come. That a big fish. That a big fish, Kyle.
And today is a very rainy day. And we're going somewhere pretty north coast. We don't too sure yet if you want to up or not.
Shout out to anybody.
Magas, because he's jumping up.
And next weekend is Barbados.
Yeah, next week today is Sunday and next week Sunday we're going Barbados.
Saturday.
Saturday, I mean.
And we are Nathan here. So we now getting up. Real rain today. Right now rain falling. So let us know what we catch. We have Fat Boy and Jerome, no touchdown on the spot there. Nathan, Kyle, Sai, the spot there. And the bags in them there. We all love here.
Fever tonight for them. Come out for you.
Are they ready for them too? What do you feel like I'll catch? Biggest fish?
Here the bet tonight. Here the bet. The loser clean all the fish in the morning. Who agrees for that?
Yeah.
So
Jerome.
You want to feed all the fish?
The biggest fish?
The loser. Yeah. The loser clean all the fish.
Okay, Jeremy, you want to feed all the fish. You say that now.
Alright, so we will put up camp. We will set up the camping area for tonight.
You can't pull your
Right,
fish.
the rain eased up a little bit.
Right? You gotta pull raw fish, eh?
So we will set up camp. And then we now clean up all the area. The area is a little dirty. Alright. So what do you think, Kyle? You think I catch him tonight?
Fish, hopefully.
And Nathan?
Baby bird.
And Nathan?
Tonight's sleeping. Tonight's
For
sleeping.
sure, after all that. Alright, we will let you know. We will put up the camp now.
So we're now trying to set him up the top one.
You helping them or you...
No.
Look, Jerome calling you.
I'm not going to slip it.
Not going, Jerome. You got to always see the finished product, right? Alright, Kyle on. Kyle on. First fish. First fish. A big red mouth grunt. Bring him, bring him. Which are you coming over? Size of this fella here. Big fella.
Daddy, I know what to do now.
Eh,
You want to jump, please?
come now. A nice big one can all stick here. You got a beat up and then come. Alright, just now, just now. I carry with number 2. Let me see. A grunt? Oh, a big grunt, boy. Come, back over.
Wait for the big bite. They don't feel no bite, just wait.
Yeah, send that one for plateau and hurry.
Yeah, the bite in the air.
There's an grunt. Some big monsters.
Using some fresh Joshua.
Fresh Joshua using.
Double look it.
Doing a double hook.
Yeah. And double look it.
Alright, and he turned out so. First time I miss Calpulin. Watch the scooper.
Nice size too.
Pretty boy. Real nice. I call third fish. Nathan had one. Yeah, hard by day.
I see. Hopefully first fish was not eel or
Yeah.
fish. But if you
new rod. First fish with the new rod. They're going on gate. Ah, big grunt. Take it for him, Nakal. He do it for you plenty.
Yeah, man. Send it. You want big?
A nice big fella.
This one big.
Yeah.
Ow.
And I want pull for the you question rod now?
Nah, you can't say that as yes.
Well, a bigger fish.
It's 2 years and a couple fish over there.
Yeah, you go catch some more.
I think it's more.
There's ice in the bucket too. We are Nathan with 1-1. You gotta stand up. Man sitting down and fishing. A grouper will bring him. It's sick. You gotta go by Lovey. See, I tell you I get something with the grunt. We now slice up our grunt right there and you throw it out. Nice grouper. See? A cherry grouper. Nice cherry grouper. Who gave him the bait, Kyle? I give him the bait. Alright, we will see what Kyle does, what they can just now. Kyle right there fishing. Nice cherry grouper here. A piece of grunt. Alright, we teach them well. Cook him good too.
Yeah.
Right, nice fella.
Kyle,
The bucket full. Kyle fishing here, over there, and Ethan here. Ethan with fish number 3. And next one. Only, yeah. Aha! Kyle has something big. Kyle has something big. Kyle has something big. You get when you get his strike. Come, that big fish. That big fish, Kyle. Get the gaff, put down on it and get the gaff and carry it for him. You might have go right down there. Wait this. A big crapo? That big boy. This size of that sunfish. What's your name? That's all. That's the biggest sunfish I ever seen. Yeah. Cameraman, I want. Kyle. Let me see it. Yon again.
Nagagapat ba ba fish? Ang kapat, boy! Nice fish yan.
Kylon. Let me see what you had here. A big grunt again. Next big grunt. You didn't have a big one. Oh, a silver dollar. A different species. So we are two. Kayla one here. And Ethan catch a silver dollar.
Oh Lord.
Silver.
He fight about that?
Yeah,
Ah, cold.
a silver dollar.
Cold water.
So I had to take out two of them for them.
Yeah, hit like a bullet.
Nice one. Can't see you have a big one. Did I go on yam? They come out?
Right there.
Oh gosh, they come out.
A big fish.
You get teeth mark on the fish.
Yeah.
Right. We will try them again later. Nickel the fish here. Alright, we will try them later. So we now come back from fishing. The pillar in our bag over there. Nathan busting up some bread and sausage eating. And Kai, what are you going to eat? Yeah, so cook some pilau. Rain falling and Fat Boy have a fire going. We have Jerome up there, Fat Boy there. And Manuka fish fishing. Yeah. I have Fat Boy and Jerome here. Jerome, he hammock. He have 4 hammocks style. And we have Fat Boy there. Fat Boy have some smoke going to run rails and fly. Anything to tell them? What the fishing was?
A gang sky in the end though.
Yeah, I can't get away from Nathan.
Is your
Oh my god, but he jammed it and come out. You're hungry, boy? Nah, man. Sausage a minute made, how we just had to do it. I'll show the car busting up some pillow just one.
So, it's in the night time. It's about 7 o'clock in the night. Celebrate. Eating some pilau. And so far the fish not going too bad. Some big, say about 3 pound, 2 pound ground. Some real big ground. We catch 4 grouper, a silver dollar, and some big fish get away. So hopefully we catch some big ones now.
I will let you know what I catch tonight, right?
Yeah.
Kyle has something. Kyle has something on. You have something on tonight.
It's big.
You see it big.
I'll fight it on.
Fight it, Kyle. Fight it.
Again, true.
I feel that thing.
You feel that stingray?
Yeah, I see that thing.
Above the water.
No. It's shooting.
Okay, I see it.
Right there, yeah, that's it.
A stingray?
I don't know.
Okay, come in there.
You are eel.
Big eel.
Come on.
It's somewhere right there. Woo! Crab big eel.
Big eel. Right there.
Crab big eel, Kyle. Way!
Adi, you see you before.
He says that you can catch.
Oh God.
Right there.
You break your code. Oh God. Oh.
Yeah, so Nathan and I went to fish on us and we catching some crab walking back. The fishing wasn't all that great in the night. Put the bag and put it in it now. Nathan, I won't want it.
Bites, man.
Put the bag now. Nathan putting Putting some crab in the bag. Yeah. Actually, I'm really you catch it. In the bucket.
The next crab and find inside any corner.
Oh, look one right there. Right there, we like this, have a crab right there. So I go hold that one there quick before I go.
So we're backing up to go at morning. Can I get it straight?
Rain falling bucket that job. Show them how much.
Can drum drop with
A
that?
little thing. Oh. So come back down. Oh.
It's on that side.
Yeah.
Push from here.
Rain falling bucket that job.
I'll walk it up.
Yeah.
So I'll shoot right there.
Look at his size. Look at his corner there.
Yeah, it's like on me, bird.
And I used sleeping arrangements last night.
Don't forget me, I demand them all here. Don't forget me.
Yeah.
You ain't catching
Yeah,
nothing.
my phone,
Yeah.
bring them there, man. Yeah, bad weather.
So, a man of you. Look what he doing, eating the pill out from the bowl.
You getting it?
Yeah. Tell him go and watch the bowl and eat any food before you watch the bowl. You like it too? Pill out isn't good? Yeah, Nathan, you know, if you got food, can I just take out a little fish broth with corn in it? Breakfast.
It's really lacking fish.
Yeah.
A fish broth and lacking fish.
Rain no easy enough. Come on, look. Can I go in the rain and sit down and eat?
No, Mr. Day.
We're going quite down there. Kyle. Alright.
Snack, a snack thing.
Corn fish broth.